Hello and welcome to this deep dive into DevSecOps. We will have three sessions about DevSecOps. The first session will be introduction, evolution, and core principles of DevSecOps. After that, we will have session two, that is key components and tools and also benefits of DevSecOps. And finally, in session three, we will have challenges, best practices, roadmap, metrics, trends, and also examples. So this session is first session. This is introduction, evolution, and core principles session. In this first session, we will explore what DevSecOps is, why it emerged, and the core principles that guide it. Software powers nearly everything we do. From banking to entertainment, teams are under pressure to deliver new features quickly, yet they face an ever growing barrage of cyber attacks and regulatory requirements. Traditional DevOps practices focus on collaboration between development and operations to shorten release cycles and improve reliability. But security often remained an afterthought. Rising data breaches and compliance demands exposed this gap. To resolve the conflict between speed and safety, a new approach emerged, DevSecOps. So, at the first point, we will see what DevSecOps is. DevSecOps stands for Development, Security, and Operations. It extends DevOps by embedding security practices into every stage of the software development lifecycle. Instead of bolting on security at the end, DevSecOps bakes it into planning, coding, building, testing, releasing, deploying, operating, and monitoring. The US Department of Defense describes DevSecOps as a cultural and technical movement that unifies software development, security, and operations through collaboration, automation, and continuous monitoring to deliver secure, high quality software. We have evolution from DevOps to DevSecOps. DevOps improved collaboration and shortened delivery cycles, but it treated security as a final checkpoint. This is the point. As cyber attacks grew more sophisticated, this reactive model became unsustainable. Shift left security emerged to move vulnerability assessments and secure coding practices into the earliest stages of development. DevSecOps evolved from DevOps to address these challenges by making security a shared responsibility across development, operations, and security teams. It acknowledges that fixing a vulnerability during development is far cheaper than fixing it after deployment. DevSecOps is guided by several key principles. We have somehow six core principles: shift left security, continuous integration, delivery and security, automation and tooling, continuous security monitoring, collaboration and culture, and policy as code and compliance. Let's deep dive into them. First, shift left security. Integrate security checks early during planning and coding so issues are found and fixed sooner. After that, we will have continuous integration, delivery, and security. Every code commit triggers automated builds, tests, and security scans. Continuous delivery ensures that release candidates are validated for stability and security before reaching production. After that, we have automation and tooling. Use automated scanning, policy enforcement, and compliance checks across code, infrastructure, and pipelines. This includes static analysis, dynamic testing, infrastructure as code scanning, container image scanning, and secret management. After these three principles, we have continuous security monitoring. Monitor code, infrastructure, and networks in real time to detect threats and respond quickly. And the important one, we have collaboration and culture. Foster a culture of shared responsibility. Development, security, and operations teams communicate openly. Security is everyone's job. And finally, we have policy as code and compliance. codify security policies and compliance requirements so they are automatically enforced and version controlled. Those principles lay the foundation for DevSecOps. In our next session, we will look at the key components that make these principles actionable, the tools used to automate security, and the tangible benefits of adapting DevSecOps. Thanks a lot for watching session 1. Be with me in the next session.